Hello everyone! So today we would like to tell you about fiction analysis, The Legend of Timun Mas. Long ago, in a peaceful village, there lived a poor widow named Mbok Sirni. She dreamed of having a child. One day, a giant named Buto Ijo gave her a magical cucumber seed. He promised that she would have a daughter, but when the girl turned 17 years old, she had to be given back to him. Several months later, Boksirni found a baby girl inside a golden cucumber. She named her Timun Mas and raised her with love. As Timun Mas grew into a beautiful and kind young woman, Boksirni became worried because Buto Ijo would soon return.
Seeking help, Mbok Sirni visited a wise hermit. He gave Timun Mas four magical items: cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. When Buto Ijo came to take her away, Timun Mas ran into the forest. She threw the magical item one by one. The seed became a cucumber field, the needles become a bamboo forest, the salt become a sea, and the shrimp paste transformed into a boiling mud swamp. Butoijo became trapped in the mud and disappeared forever. Timon Mas returned home safely and lived happily with Bosirni. The story teaches us that courage, wisdom, and perseverance can overcome evil. First, theory. What is the definition of narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or series of events to entertain, inform, or teach readers a moral lesson.
Number one, what are key characteristics of narrative text? Tells a story or event, has a characters and settings, contains a conflict or problems, has a sequence of events, ends with a resolution, gives a moral lesson, and use the simple past tense.
And the second one is what does the generic structure of narrative text? Orientation. Introduce the characters, setting, and time. Complication. Introduce the problem. And the rising action is the conflict becomes more serious. The climax is the highest point of the conflict. The resolution is the problem is solved. And the last one is reorientation or moral lessons. Conclude the story and provide the moral value. So, what is the definition of the main idea? The main idea is the central or most important point of a paragraph or text.
What are supporting details? Supporting details are sentences that explain, describe, or provide evidence for the main idea.
What are fact and opinion? Fact is a statement that can be proven true. Example is Timun Mas was raised by Mbok Sironi. And then opinion. Opinion is a statement that expresses someone's belief or feeling. Example, Timun Mas was the bravest girl in the village.
And then B, practice. Number one, what are the generic structures? Orientation, complication, rising action, climax, resolution, and moral lesson of Timun Mas. Okay, the orientation is long ago in a peaceful village there lived a poor widow named Mbok Sirni who wanted to have a child.
And the complication is a giant named Buto Ijo promised to give her a child, but she had to return the child when she turned 17. And for the rising action, when Buto Ijo came to take Timun Mas, she escaped using four magical items given by a wise hermit.
And then the climax is Timun Mas threw the shrimp paste, which turned into a boiling mud swamp. Buto Ijo became trapped and could not escape.
And the resolution is Buto Ijo disappeared forever and Timun Mas returned home safely. And the last is moralism. We should be brave, never give up, and use wisdom to overcome problems.
Number 1. What are the language feature of this legend? A. Known. Timun Mas was a brave girl. Mbok Sirni was a widow, and then the Buto Ijo was a giant.
And the verb is Mbok Sirni playing the seed, and Timun Mas ran away. Buto Ijo cased Timun Mas. And for the adjective, first, Timun Mas was brave. Second, Mbok Sirni was kind. And the last is Buto Ijo was strong.
And then for the tenses or simple past tense is Mbok Sirni lived in a village. Timun Mas escaped from Buto Ijo. The giant disappeared in the mud.
Okay, that's all. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.